Hello, I'm Tyler, and I'll be showing you a quick run-through in NetDispatcher of how a typical service process for people out in the field works with NetDispatcher. First, I'm going to log in. Just like your email, the great thing I want to point out here is that the service runs on the cloud, so there is no installation required on your computer or mobile device. You only need internet access. In this example, I am using an iPhone, but NetDispatcher runs on any internet-capable smartphone or pad. On the left side of the screen, we see the perspective of the dispatcher at the home office on a computer. And on the right side, we see what the people in the field are seeing from their mobile device in real time. To start, let's create a new service request. In this case, we will be creating a weekly lawn mowing task to the job queue. By double-clicking in the dispatcher window to an unscheduled service person's calendar, I can quickly create a new task and automatically assign it to them. In this case, we'll use someone named Mark Jones. I can use pre-made templates on the jobs I use frequently and then add, edit, and review the info as I see fit. This saves you time and keeps the flow of information open. So there it is in the dispatcher screen, and now it is already dispatched to Mark's job queue. Moreover, I can now keep track of his progress in real time as it is being worked on in the field by Mark. How? Because now Mark's going to log into the system and tell us. In the field, the person logs into the system, then punches in to start the day. They go ahead and open their job queue to view the tasks for today and check the address, the information on the job, and get started. Now, notice how the color codes change to indicate the status of the job. Once the job's completed, they add the materials used if needed and take an electronic signature from the customer. The job is done and you've got a contractual document already signed for billing later. This keeps everything neat and tidy on your end and cuts down on the collections hassle later. Now, once the job is completed, you can review the order for accuracy. You can add, edit, or price out the items added from the field. If the price of gas changes, you need to be able to change with it and any other type of material you used on the job. Once this order is ready for invoicing, I have the option to put this invoice into a big batch for later, or in this case, I want to create an invoice right now. I click print and it pops up ready to give to the customer immediately. This is how easy it is to pull out the invoice as a PDF for emailing or printing out a hard copy. It's a beautiful thing. So how much more real time can we get? How about physically keeping track of your workforce with GPS? Your fleet can be tracked with GPS satellites, so you will always have a real-time view on all of your employees out in the field. I can keep track of where Mark is the whole day. Believe me when I say that GPS tracking will be the most important business tool in your arsenal to leverage. This information can be used for time tracking, automated mileage calculations, payroll, and billing purposes. Heck, if Mark needs more help, you can instantly see who's closest to help him out and when. Now, remember in the beginning we had Mark, the field person, punch into the system to start the job? Let's go to the time tracking and review the results. With the job completed, the hours are automatically tracked and the system automates the personnel timesheets for payroll. This information can then be put through an approval process as you see here. And everything you just saw could be done without any paperwork, keeping the flow of information accurate, open, and cutting down on your costs. It's that easy. NetDispatcher automates many of the tasks that used to be labor intensive and frankly frustrating for both you and the customer. NetDispatcher is a powerful tool for businesses on the go in the 21st century. And if you're still watching and listening to my voice at this point, then feel free to give yourself a delicious cookie. Please visit our website for more information or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you from all of us at NetDispatcher.